Hello everyone, my name is Kat and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I made this channel to share some of the things I like to do with people from everywhere. I'm entering my senior year of high school and I figured this would be a good time to go for the thing I've always wanted to do, which is start a YouTube channel, so here I am. Okay, so to get started, I had a few ideas of what I wanted the channel to be. I first thought I was going to make it into a study channel so I can motivate myself and others not to give up on school. However, I saw how messy my handwriting was, and I realized I wouldn't be the best role model in this particular activity. I would defer to much better channels, such as Studytee, who has literally the most amazing handwriting I've ever seen. There are also so many other channels that excel in studying videos, and I thought maybe it wouldn't be a great idea for me to dive into that, so I decided that this channel would be a crafts center, or like a crafts corner or something like that, where I show everyone the process of making crafts. And I know there are also so many other channels that are going to be better at this than me, but I wanted to give it a chance because it's such a big part of my life. I love taking things that weren't useful and making it into something amazing, even if sometimes other people don't like it. It's part of the process. I also have many different interests when it comes to crafts, whether it be upcycling or painting, drawing, sewing, crocheting, knitting, whatever you guys want to see. I really love doing that stuff. So if you have any recommendations, leave it in the comments and I'll try to make a video about it. What you see me doing here is trying to come up with a logo for the channel. My first name is Catherine and the top picture is just an overlap of all the letters K-A-T-H-R-I-N. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the second one is an overlap of K-A-T, cat, which is what most people call me. I decided eventually that I like the second one more and I put it as my picture, but if you guys like the first one better than the second one, I will change it. So leave a comment telling me which one you like, and thank you for watching.